Okay, really excited with this one. This is something I found in Germany on a website and never heard about it before. But since getting the sliding saw, I've thought to myself there's quite a lot I could do if I could have some kind of jig on the slide part of the table. So I looked into making some stuff, and I probably will end up making a few custom bits, but man, with the saw, and I'm just sort of getting my head around how much there is, but having jigs. So I'm just going to give you a quick demo. I was looking at the Altendorf one, and that's how I come across this. So this thing is even better because you can put it midway, push that down, turn it, and then you're ready to lock wherever you are on the track, and you can just push this up and down, instant. So also in the same set you get these two holders, so you can put your wood anywhere, and in fact this is how I found RUWI, looking for something like this. You can put your timber anywhere on your sliding table, clamp it down, and then bring this along, set the angle, lock it in, and then slide your table, keeping your hands well away from the blade. And it can do any kind of angle, obviously. Lock it down like that, bring this in, lock it in, safely push wood through here. A really clever system. This is similar to the Festool guide rails. It has the adjustable kind of nylon lugs for the rail system, and then you basically lock it whichever angle you want to push in place. Lots of this for me is the ability to not keep moving my mitre fence, and if I'm just doing eyeballing in rough cuts, especially when I'm trying to design stuff, I'm just looking at angles and I think, well, that would be a great angle to cut there, and I was struggling with how to clamp stuff down, to be honest. And I was going to make my own, as we all do, I was going to make my own system of clamping, but it's just time, and it's, you know, these guys have done it really well. It's going to give me loads more scope on my sliding saw, and it's definitely going to keep the safety levels up, hands away from the saw. The clamping system is just brilliant. Okay, thanks for watching.